Hey guys, what's up? Today I am here and I'm making another slime video. I'm making jiggly unicorn slime, like really jiggly. And if you are wondering why I have this lava lamp here, it's because I'm trying to make the lighting better, but obviously it's not working, but kinda is. I mean, it's making it a little bit brighter, but oh my gosh, I'm sorry about the background noises. Hold on, let me turn my TV down. Okay guys, so I turned down my TV. If there's another noise, it's from somebody else's TV, it's not mine. And I just want to show y'all my nails. Y'all can't really see them. Hold on. Okay. Oh, y'all still can't see them. I'll show it to y'all later in the video. Okay, let's get on to this video. And before we get on to this video, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to know how to be part of the notification fan, watch one of my other videos, like, yeah, one of my other videos. So, let's get on to this video. Okay guys, I have everything that I need. I'm so prepared. Okay, so I have my bowl that I'm making slime in, some 2 paints that I used for my other unicorn slime. I have my borax solution, my glue, my water, and what I'm making it on. I have carpet for it, but I'm making it on this thing, this art craft thing. So, let's get on to the video. Okay, so, ooh, that actually looks good. Whoa, that made it a lot brighter. Okay, let's see if you still can't see my nose. There, you can see them now. See that? Hold on, let me try to move this. Ooh. There we go. Okay, now we're moving it back. Ow, it's so hot. Really hot. Hold on. See, we can do this. Make it bright. That's not gonna work. Okay. That's good enough. Okay, so first we're gonna pour the glue in. Elmer's glue. Elmer's school glue. I'm not using all of it in one batch. Well, first I'm gonna make the first jiggly slime for one color. Okay, so first I'm adding in the glue. Then I'm gonna add the paint. I'm adding this turquoise paint. Okay. It's not a lot in it. I don't know why. Hold on, let me get all this paint in, and I will be right back and show y'all it. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I got all the paint in. Let's see it. I don't even know if y'all can see it. It's hard. Ooh, that is hard for y'all to see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm sorry if you're okay. I'll just show it to y'all like that. There's way more in there. Okay. So let's mix. Whoa, it's so pretty. Go watch the new movie Zombie if it's out already for me, but if it's not out for you, just make sure you watch it because it is awesome. It's amazing. I love it. It's cool. Okay. Let's get that. This is like really pretty. It's like an ocean kind of look. Oh. That's it. Okay. So, it's not a lot, but we're about to make it a lot because we're adding a lot of water in. Okay? That's all I'm adding in so far. Okay. Flashy. really splashy. It's making a lot of splashes. This is kind of making it thinner, but I feel like we're still adding more. Because it kind of like gets tougher for some reason. Oh, my back hurts so bad already. It smells toxic. I added lotion in this. Why does it smell toxic? Okay. So this is it. That's like a really cool effect. Okay. I'm adding more water in. Okay, I feel like I should not have added that much, but we're still gonna add more after this. So yeah, I'll get to y'all when I get. Hold on. We're just gonna see how much. Which I'll probably know is like 5 cups from just a mirror, but it can hold 5 cups without like ruining. But yeah. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more. If y'all watch Just a Mirror, I can't pronounce her name right. I'm so sorry. I just call her Slime. That's weird. I just call her channel Slimatory for some reason. I don't know. I just do. Okay. So this is it. It's like way more like thin glue. It's just regular glue. So let's pour this borax solution in, and yeah. That didn't work. Hold on. I gotta mix up my borax solution a little bit more. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have it all mixed up, and let's pour. Okay, let's mix that in and see if it actually starts turning into slime. Okay, we already got slime, but it still needs to get a lot more borax solution. We're gonna need a lot more borax solution than just this much. So yeah, let's keep mixing this borax in. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Okay, there we go. Mixing up that really good. Oh, it's starting to turn into slime. Whoa, some spilled out. It's not even slime. The little bit that spilled out is not even slime. Look at when this turns into slime. It's the slime. That's it. We'll pick it up. Oh my gosh, it's seriously awesome. That's the first time it stuck to my spatula and didn't fall like that. But that's a good thing. Okay, I think that's all we'll need to add, but I don't know because it could still stick to my hands, it could still stick to my bowl. I don't know. Okay, we definitely need to add more. Let me just show you all what this is looking like. Looking awesome. Y'all definitely need to make a unicorn jiggly slime because it is turning out awesome for me. And I hope it turns out awesome for y'all if y'all make it. Oh my gosh. It's okay, I can touch it now. I'm only mixing it with one hand right now because I don't want to get both hands. Oh no, I think I over-boraxed it. Oh no! I hope I did not. So I could just add more water, but I don't think I did. That's just weird feeling. Feels weird. Ew, it's really jiggly. And I feel like we can add more water. So, yeah. Because it's not that jiggly. It's just that. See, that's not jiggly like that. Oh, but first, let's fix this up. That's on the thing. I don't want that to get on the carpet. Wow, this is actually really good slime. Let's add some more water. hard to mix in water when it's already slime. Oh. Okay, I'll get to y'all when I get it all mixed in. Okay guys, I added a little bit more water and it's really jiggly now. I really like this, but it needs more borax solution because it's kind of sticky. That was hard to get out. Yeah, borax solution. I think that's all the borax solution that we will need. It's super breaky. I don't really like the slime. It's not stretchy. But I needed to add more borax solution. That way I could make it not sticky. It's sticking to the poles. Okay, guys. So there we go. It's not very pokey, but it's jiggly. That's what I like. Ooh, it's stretchy too. Kinda. It is actually pokey. Okay, cool. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so now let's get on to the next actual slime. First, ASMR. Okay. Now on to the next one. Okay. I'll see you when I get it all together again. Okay guys, now we are ready for the next one. See, there's no slime in there. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm still plugging the other one. Okay, so now we're adding some glue into this one. Okay. Well, here's the glue. It didn't look like any was in there. Okay. Now we're adding the purple paint. Okay. I can't open it. I don't want to break my nails. Okay, I'll get to y'all when it's open. Okay, guys, I got it open. I have purple slime and my turquoise slime. And purple paint. Oh my gosh. Sorry about the banging for people that have headphones on. Oh my. I don't know if y'all heard that meow. That was my talking tone. Wow, that looks awesome. Okay. Okay, my hands are like a mess. They have paint all around. Purple paint. Okay. So now let's get it all mixed up. Oh, I left my spatula. Okay. It's really light purple. I want it to be darker. Sorry about the banging. Hold on. Let me just pause y'all. That way I have to do the banging by myself. Okay, guys, I did the banging, so I had to bang the paint down. That way it would come down. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now let's add some water, and probably the whole thing of water. I don't know. Probably though. Yeah. Okay, that's really weird. The water makes it smell toxic for some reason. I'm gonna scent them with perfume probably. I like perfume. Perfume does not do good on scenting. I wish I could buy some regular scent. Yeah, I wish I could buy some of my regular scents. And yeah. But I can't because I'm not fancy like that. I use perfume for scent. Yeah, let's add more water. Okay. I added more water, now I'm mixing, and I'll get to y'all when I get it all mixed in. Okay guys, so now I have all the water that I want and then mixed in. I mean all the water. I mean, it's like, I'm gonna add a little bit more. That was all of it. That was all the water. I mean literally all the water that I had. Now I'm just mixing. I always look right here when I should be looking right here. But I look right here. So, okay. So now we're adding in the borax solution. I didn't even show y'all what it looked like. Well, y'all be able to see it when I bring it up on the stick. Yay! Oh my gosh. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Really jiggly, I can tell. It's gonna be a really jiggly slide. And I might need more borax solution, and I'll go make that without y'all. Sorry, but I got to do what I gotta do. That way, don't see the process of it. Y'all would get bored. But I don't so far. But I probably will have to. Okay, I'm just gonna do it, guys. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. I'm just gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna go in with my hands. Even though no. Okay. I added more borax solution, and now I am mixing. Oh, this is a really bad slime. I feel really bad for this slime because it's really bad. Ew. This is bad.
Have you put your bathtub in a little while?
Okay. Yeah. Ew. This is it. It needs more borax solution, so yeah, I'll be right back when I get that off. Okay guys, so I have all the borax solution mixed up, and I'm adding more in because I need more in there because it is not slime yet. Whoa, I think I over boraxed it. Yeah. Okay, I definitely did not over borax that. Okay, hold on. You need to be right here. Look right here. You. Ew, that's really bad. I don't really like this. Okay, I definitely over boraxed it. I think. I'm not very sure. Oh my gosh. Listen. I started mixing in with 2 hands. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Well, it definitely didn't stick, which is awesome. But this is so jiggly. A bit more borax solution. Oh my gosh. I feel like I shouldn't make videos that are like 20 or 30 minutes. And this is probably going to be like 20 or 30 minutes. And it's already at 19 minutes. So 19 minutes and 23 seconds. I toast it right then when you are looking at it. Ooh, it's so jiggly. Okay, so now my favorite part is the ASMR. Well, it's not really my favorite, but I really, really like doing it. So, yeah. Awesome. Okay, so now this part is one of my favorite parts. I'm not gonna lie, it's like my second favorite part with unicorns. So, getting everything off the table. I mean, absolutely everything. Okay, getting this off the table. Getting this off the table. Getting this off the table and onto another table. I'm getting this off the table into another table. This off the table into another table. And this onto the table because it's slime. Okay, sorry. You can't really see me. Okay. Oh, there we go. Boom. Okay. Here. Okay, I just want to say that this one's way more stretchier. And yeah. Okay. So, we got everything off the table except for our two slimes. This one, I think, got over boraxed and it's not stretchy, it breaks really bad. This one is really good slime, but still breaks a lot. So, let's see these two slimes get mixed together. It's gonna be awesome! Okay, whoopsie. Okay, glad that didn't stick to the carpet. It didn't stick to the carpet. Okay, I feel like I should have some glitter to put in this, but I don't. I do, but I don't know how I'm going to keep this on here. There we go. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta go. Okay, guys, so I got a little bit of glitter glue. Actually, no, I don't. Ew, watch this. Okay, so obviously, we're just adding in some silver glitter because I can't get any out of the gold, so. Okay, I only added a teensy bit of silver glitter. It's glitter glue, so I don't know how this slime is going to turn out, but we'll see. Okay, so let's roll this up. Let's roll it up. Roll it up like it's a pizza. Not really, but I like to call it that. Don't get off the sides. Don't come off the sides. No. This is awesome. I can't see any glitter. Whoa, but this looks awesome. Look how pretty. Okay. I am just so mesmerized. Whoa. I don't know why this is so cool. It's so jiggly. Woo. That's how big this slime is. It's pretty big. This is so big. My back hurts so bad, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
Whoa. So pretty.
1 minute.
Hold on. Oopsie. Oh,
Can you have something to want?
whoa.
Yeah.
Wow, that's like a really good light. Whoa. Okay, guys, there we go. This hurts. It's hot. Okay, guys. We're making this unicorn slime warm. Make it stretchy. Okay, it's hard for you to see.
Carrot Kelly.
Huh?
Devin wants to toast your strudel.
Okay, guys, so I put that back up. Wow, this is so pretty. I love it. It's like a grayish bluish color when it blends in, but still it's pretty. Even if it is gray blue, it's pretty. I like it because I know it was once unicorn slime. You cannot see the sparkles. I can't even see the sparkles. I know y'all can't. Probably not. If I'm just like overlooking them. Well, I kind of can, but y'all probably can't. Like y'all definitely can't. Whoa. Jiggly bubble. Okay, guys, that is it for today. And if you like this video, then hit that like button. And if you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I got a challenge for you. When you hit the subscribe button, yell banana. Okay, be like this. Banana. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye. Okay, guys. Bye. I'm gonna poke it with slime, okay? Bye. 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 Bye.